Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is kind of a two-part folded answer to a question. First of all, viewers, subscribers, and if you watched my video last night about, I don't even know what the name of it, we're trying to get equal half-inch dots on a rail or on like a protractor type thing, and he just drew a 63 pointed star at 10 inches, and it's exactly half inches between the nodes. I think I need to zoom in here. All the way around. So that was pretty quick. Now, I don't know if you'd be able to draw these, make that work on that for the original person I was doing it for, but that is a pretty neat trick. It's 10 inches. Well, that's ironic because it's actually 10 inches divided by 63, and it worked that time. Where the other video had to be a little bit bigger than 10 inches. But anyway, his question was, and the real reason for the video, is he's got a star here, and let's say it's an 8-sided star, and he hit P on the keyboard, and it is 10 by 10, exactly, where this star is 10 by 9.997, and he was asking why it's different, because they were both started out at 10. Well, you can see the difference right here. I brought in indexing lines, and I just hit P and put it at the center of the page. Corel is measuring from the furthest outside on left and right, and the furthest up top to center. And these indexing lines are right here at these nodes, and so that's the extreme of that 8-pointed star, so it's 10 by 10. Well, let's do the same thing with this and hit P, and you can see that the top is right on that indexing line, but the bottom is not. It's split between the two. So there's the difference, because that is 9.97, where this one is split between the two, not equally, but so the point there is here, and that's what Corel's measuring. And over here, it's a wider gap, and that one's on the center. And we're talking a minute, we're just talking like a unbelievable small amount of number, we're talking 0.003 off. You would never notice that even measuring it somehow with calipers. Anyway, so I hope that answered his question. It's just where Corel is looking at it. It's the same thing with a 5-sided star. Let's just draw a 5-sided star. I'm going to hold down the control button. Well, it's got 63, but let's make it 5. Look at here, it's almost a half of an inch difference between the two. You've got 7 tall versus just 6.666 wide. Same thing on this star. 9.5, it's almost a half of an inch larger one direction. It's just because that's the way Corel's measuring it from, let me try to get an index line, from there to there is the furthest 2 points, and in here it's measuring from there to there, and I think it's just a longer distance between here than it is there, even though the star is equal in all dimensions. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.